Well, that's how I start my first YouTube channel, yeah. So when it comes to these, I made these like earlier in the year. And it was more of a conversation that I was having with my boy. I was kind of like breaking it down, what I'm trying to do with the whole content thing, and it led me up to here. My name is Ndobebo. I'm from a small town called Dundee in KZN, KwaZulu Natal. If you don't know, if you're not from South Africa, right? And I'm kind of starting this channel more for me, like just to look back and be like, oh, okay, this is what I did, and this is how far I've come. Some point in my life where I feel maybe down or whatever, and I'm just also giving you guys a window and a kind of an entry into my life and see how I move and see the things that I do and how I conduct myself and how I'm able to recover from adversities and all of that, right? So obviously the channel is more gonna be about discipline, showing my routines, day in the lives, those kind of things. So you also have some sort of motivation. Maybe you can draw from this and see what's okay. This guy did this to achieve this, so maybe I can try it out for my life, for myself. And every single thing that I learn, because I'm a sponge, man. I'm a sponge for information. So everything that I learn, I will like make videos. Not all the content's gonna be. Some of the videos are just gonna be just me sitting in front of the camera and actually telling you guys, okay, I picked up this, I learned this, and just trying to summarize it and bring it down and break it down for you guys, and just share it. So today's video is more of a vlog. Right now, you can see I'm about to go to work. Okay, well, you can't see because I'm just wearing a black shirt, but it is a Saturday, and come on, there's nobody that's there at the office, so it's only gonna be like me and a few people. So it's like, man, why do I have to wear a suit and tie and all that? So I'm just wearing shorts, a black top, some trainers. I'm just gonna go there, chop it up a bit, gotta get in that overtime, you get what I'm saying? So yeah, just gonna chop it up at work, leave it like 1 o'clock or something like that, maybe later or prior. And then I'm gonna get a haircut. Your boy doesn't look good. Hit the gym, most likely. Well, there's this Valentine's event that's happening today, so I'm gonna chop it up there, but I'm gonna go there at night. So maybe before that, probably have some pre-drinks. You never know. So yeah, that's what's the plan for today. So yeah, come with me. Let's go.
We didn't vibe on the first night, but you're so enticing. We didn't vibe, but now I want you so.
Welcome to Santon, blood. There's a Rosie right next to me. Okay, so I know I left all you guys hanging, right? Because I told you that content is the future and all that. Let me just bring it back to that conversation. So I was having a chat with my friend, because for people that know me for a long time, kind of weird for you guys to see me go from not having a social media to just full-on content creator, right? It's like, okay, what the hell is going on here, right? So I was just having a chat with him, and I was telling him like, yo, looking at everything and like how the world is going right now, and looking number one at Meta, nowadays decided that all our apps are gonna have AI, And even Apple, when I woke up today, I saw that they have like this deal that they made with ChatGPT to integrate, ChatGPT into the Apples, right? We're heading into a space where we can't run away from AI and technology, and all of our jobs are going to be obsolete. To be quite to be quite honest, right? Even what I'm doing right now, I'm sure it's going to be replaced by AI in the next 10 years, right? So the people that are going to actually like carry on making money and the people that are going to elevate and, probably going to be immune to this AI attack are people that are going to have brands. So if you have a brand and if you are a brand, I think you're going to be good forever. And that's why I thought, you know what? Let me be those people, right? Rather than sitting back and saying, AI is going to take over our jobs, AI is going to do so and so. I'm like, you know what? If you can't beat them, join them, right? So that's why I'm into this content creation space. So my reasons for doing this, they're not also post-apocalyptic and oh my days, we're gonna lose our jobs type of thing. Sure, Viz. It's all part of it is just me trying to learn how to speak better, just being more natural in front of the camera and just all around improving my speech and my vocab, right? Because you know how you just use those top words, a few words that you know. Even though you might know other definitions or other words that define the same thing, you always go for the simple ones, the basic words. You see, I'll just do my face ID there. So it's also a way for me just to hold myself accountable in my journey, right? Because I've got plans and goals that I have that I hold. That I just want to make this amount of money by this age, or that thing of just wanting to, what can I say? So it's also a way of me holding myself accountable, because when I have it out there in the internet, I can't not crush my goals, because now I'm just going to look stupid in front of everybody, right? So that's another reason why I'm having this content come out. And I just started on Instagram, but now the YouTube makes it even more personal. Crashing into each other, but yeah, it's also that thing as well of just holding myself accountable in front of the whole world, right? Because I've got dreams and aspirations that I'm trying to achieve. I've got certain check marks and checkpoints that I've set up for myself. Okay, as in by this age, I must at least have these skills and have this amount of money to reflect those skills, right? So the YouTube will help me maintain those, right? And not just maintain, but keep me on check, keep me on line. So right now, I'm just gonna go cut my hair, go to the gym like I was saying, but it's 2 p.m. right now, so okay, I'm still gonna go to the gym because I need to be out by 3, so I'm just gonna cut my hair. That's gonna take up until 2:30 or so. Cut my hair, go back home, hit the gym a bit, and then get ready for this afternoon, because like I was saying, we're just gonna have those pre-drinks, and then after that to go to the Valentine's event. So yeah, I'll catch you later.
Okay, now I'm moving on my post a pic on the gram by a car, and on the titty on this on my shaka. My boy got the green on the man, don't pass. She's a loose and lilin' down bad. Unzega kuno don't be second. We some broke boys with some good taste. Used to put the combos in a suitcase. I was saving up for a rainy day. I'm with my diva having conversations for the scissor to cut off the hesitation. Missed a lot of chances. I was busy waiting. Fuck. That's why I've been playing for keeps. It's okay, cut me off, not that deep. We were touching the streets in the Jeep. I said, for then and I'm watching no cheese. Talking about everything that we could be. My just a do my name, on my diff. Issue let you buy me post school IG.
I'm screwed. So I wanted to go to the gym, but now I'm seeing it's chai for the gym. It is chai for the gym. Right now the time is 3 o'clock. I'm not making it to the gym, blood. Not making it to the gym, blood. But it's fine. Tomorrow's a Sunday, so I'm just gonna hit the gym after I upload this video. So yeah. Damn. Right now it's about 3:30, and I'm about to head out. I ended up not going to the gym because I just had to shower and then step out, man. But tomorrow though, in the morning we're going to the gym, blood. Morning time. So yeah, I thought I was Superman. I thought I could do everything at once. I thought I could go to the gym and then shower and then leave for the venue, but yeah, no. Now I understand how Icarus felt. I flew too close to the sun, blood. So yeah, now I'm just going over to the pre-drinks. Because right now it's 4:30. 4:30. And we're just going to have some pre-drinks, and then 6 o'clock we need to be there. You know? This is where we're going to have the pre-drinks before we go out to the Valentine's event.
When I don't feel anything, when I lost my Manisa, when I don't feel anything, when I lost my Manisa, when I don't feel anything, when I lost my Manisa, when I don't feel anything, when I lost my Manisa. Think you should look in the mirror when I wash his naked. Got to like me, no I keep calling me late, I won't pick up. This zombie in POV. Singing ngilala ngo DND. Yazi unabantu bathembisile. Nami nginezinto engihlelelile. Sekuzoba ngathi angicabangile. Kanti wena ungangicabangile. I'm up at night trying to get the fitty. Cash on my mind, I've been getting ready. Lately suspended reciprocation. Kwangathi ngedwa yonke esiyenzayo. Yazi nawe ngizwane lekhulumisayo. Now we bad as it doesn't When I don't feel anything, when I lost my Manisa, when I don't feel anything, when I lost my Manisa.
I'll tell you guys facts, yeah? That Valentine's event was lit. W Boiler Room. But my friends will tell you one thing. if I've got one toxic trait, is the fact that I'll go home. Yeah, my phone just fell, yeah. But one toxic trait that I have is the fact that I'll go home. I don't care how late it is. I don't care what time it is.